Look at Daddy.
Smiles, wave. Eat your candy.
Candy.
You guys having a party? No. Nope. Nope. Okay.
Is it yummy?
No, I don't like it.
What's wrong with it? It's candy. That's what you asked for. Try it. Try it again.
Take a Cheeto break. Cheeto.
Try again. I think you're silly.
So you don't like Warheads?
Maybe you should bite it. Maybe it's better on the inside.
Oh, I bet you it's really sweet on the inside.
Try it. Bite it. Maybe. You gonna bite it?
No, yucky.
It's laying on the table.
I know.
Yucky.
You gonna try it again?
No.
What was wrong with it? What was wrong with it?
No sugar in it.
There's no sugar in it. It wasn't sweet.
No.